just moved the Rrabbit tractors, and you can see their poop and stuff on the ground. And I didn't think about this until afterwards, which I will remember next time, but I need to clean out the hay on their stoop. Look at him, he's just chilling. And the girls are bringing the sled. Okay, Fiona got our scraps, right? So she's gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna put all that yucky hay on top. So go ahead and dump it in there. Boom. Good girl. And then I'm gonna put the rabbit poop hay right on top. And voila. Now that'll break down into something we'll be able to use later. I'm gonna put new hay in their bin. Right, buddies? New poop space. Woohoo!